Sure.
Great. Thank you, Gaurav, for your
Thank you.
insights. Indeed. Let's move on to Dr. Sanjay. Dr. Sanjay, how would you like to, what would you like to share about healthcare sector and the impact of coaching in the healthcare sector now, before, and tomorrow?
Yeah, thanks, Deep. So I'll share my experience. I am audible now. I need to check it every time.
Yes, yes.
You're audible. Very, very loud and clear.
So I've been coaching healthcare professionals, since last few weeks. And in fact, I have coached, almost more than 60 professionals, starting from cleaning staff, nurses, paramedics, doctors, CEOs, and even, entrepreneurs. So I'll just share my experience. So what's happening? So broadly, I'll divide, the whole experience into three very broad categories, when it comes to coaching these healthcare professionals. So one is a very technical aspect of it, which is related to medical science. Okay. Second is all related to financial aspect, which is either personal or even, related to macroeconomy. And third is at the emotional level, what's happening with all these people. And would like to cover at least these two, which is one is related to, technical aspect related to medical science, and second is the emotional part of it. So the interesting thing I'm going to share based on experience. So when I start, coaching these people related to technical aspect of it. So most of the time their anxiety or, their question is that they are not updated, in terms of their knowledge related to COVID-19. Now, when they feel that they are not updated with the knowledge, it creates 2-3 types of, anxiety. So one is like they feel so embarrassed that being a medical professional, when somebody seeks their help, they are not able to guide them because they feel they themselves are not very updated in terms of their technical knowledge. And second, most important is they feel that because they are not updated, so they are also vulnerable. I mean, because they are treating patients, and if they don't know how to prevent themselves, then that put their own life at risk. So that's a bigger anxiety. Now, very interesting thing is, so when I start these sessions, at the start of the session, it's all about like coaches feel that they don't know, their knowledge is not updated about COVID-19. When we end the session, most of the time, what is their feeling is that, no, it's not that they don't have the knowledge. The thing is that the situation is extremely dynamic. The facts and the knowledge gets updated every day when it comes to COVID-19, right? Because the scientists find a new thing every day about COVID-19. Okay, so sometimes, so initially it's like 1 meter spread, then 2 meter, then even up to 10 feet, and so many things. So at the end of the session, all these coaches, they themselves realize that no, there is nothing wrong with our knowledge, but it's all related to the nature of, this situation. So every day a new update comes and we need to update every day, right? And based on that only we have to, react or behave. So that's a perception change from a coach's side, that I don't know anything, to that extent where they feel, no, I know, but it's ever changing thing and I need to be updated every day, and very satisfying. So that's one thing. Now, second, when we talk about emotional thing, now you can imagine, like, we all, when read one news anywhere that this COVID patient has died, now what we all feel, it's so scary, so depressing. Now you think about medical professionals, they are dealing this, on a day-to-day basis. They treat these patients, they live with them, and obviously all those, deaths, they see themselves. So it's like, it's a, kind of emotional trauma which they go through every day, right? And so obviously, I mean, because of that emotional trauma, it's like they feel very depressed, very low, very, in fact, the fear is there. So all these things are there. And the best part of this coaching, what I have experienced in past few weeks, that so when I start the session for these emotional things, at the starting, it's all about their fear, depression, the crisis and the external situation over which they don't have any control. And that's why, they are facing all these things.